This baby doing. Everybody sing. Hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby.
Hello, here to send out my console, and my Xbox 360 console. I'm going to show you guys the process, so that, if you're ever having this problem, you'll know what the process is. And I just received this, 10 minutes ago, so I'm just opening this up, and it's gonna tell me, I guess, how to pack this or something. I guess this is a sticker to put on the box. These are little foam pieces. We have some, looks like kind of like a wax paper substance, and we also have a bag with my Xbox in, I guess. And here is the instructions. Remove foam pieces from the box. You'll also find a bag, a return label, and a sealing tape. Do not send your hard drive with your console. If your console is a hard drive, make sure to remove it before placing the Xbox 360 console in the bag. Here's your instructions. So, I will remove everything from the back of the console. And, of course, the hard drive. So, as you can see, just the console, nothing else. Remove any CD or DVD from the DVD tray. Apply the foam pieces to each end of the console. Place, I guess they forget to step to put the bag on. So I guess first you put the bag on the console. And I will do that right now. Okay. Apply the foam pieces to each end of the console. I guess like that. And the other end like this. Yep, just like this. Do not send anything, including the hard drive, custom faceplates, controllers, games, wires, anything. Close the box. See, it's empty. You place the Xbox 360 inside the box. And if you can see this, like so. I guess then you take the tape, first, close the box like this, like that, and now you take the tape and place it over that. Well, there we go. So, hold the box. And close it with this tape. Okay. Now place your turntable directly on top of the existing label, which would be the existing one is right here. So I will place it directly on top of that. I believe that's the existing one. Yep, it is the existing one. And now you can see the new labels on there. It's going to McAllen, Texas. And now it says, record the tracking number from the return label and obtain a receipt from the shipper. For 3 consecutive business days. So, just letting you guys know, you should write down the tracking number on the return label, which is, I'll show you guys here. The tracking ID is right there, this number, right, this long thing right there. That is the tracking ID. And also, it says you should have sorry, 1 minute, I'm looking at this. It says you need a signature is required when you get the returning box from Xbox. So you should have the tracking number, a receipt from UPS or wherever you get this shipped out of, and you also need to have a signature when it's returned to you. So that's the process of sending out an Xbox 360. Thank you for watching.
T-Pain, Young Jock. Hey, she snapping. She snapping. I was snapping.
You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink.